Okay, first of all, we're gonna open the Flexi sign program. So what I do is I open right here on this icon. So I click on this one. See, it's gonna open. Right now it's loading the phones. So Flexi sign 10. This one, the only issues that I see is that okay, right now it's open. So drag. I'm gonna use this rectangle this way. And once I have it, I'm gonna pretend I'm gonna try to cut it. By doing that, I just go to this little icon that says cut and plat. So open it. Now, once it's open, you'll see this program is open. Sometimes this one looks like this. So if it looks like that, just bring your little arrow and move this out of the way. Stretch it this way so you can view this. This is very important because it's the CAM port settings. This is the brand of the vinyl cutter, which is Seiki Tech, so SK1350T. At the port that we have right now, it's a CAM one. So this one, never close it here. If you do that, what's gonna happen is not gonna notice right here when you're gonna send something to the cutter, like anything. If you close it here, that goes invisible. Let me try it so you'll see. See right here, it doesn't. You're not allowed to send nothing to the cutter. So it even tells you that this has been disconnected. So click OK, lock OK. Right here you have to press done, and it's gonna close this program that's used to do the cutting. So this one, so don't close it, okay? So what you have to do is minimize it. So if you try to open it in the future, you can open it from here. But if it's open in front of you, just click on this one, and it's gonna bring it down it's gonna shrink it. It's gonna still open. You wanna open. So right here in the properties, if you notice, we're on the SK1350. The CAM port setting that we have is the CAM 1 right now. So right here, you just what you have to. This is the size for your vinyl cutter. Right here, all I do is just select this width box. That'll cut a square around from whatever design you're planning to do. Right here, on this one, I told everyone not move this one at all. Don't even. You're gonna disadjust everything. What's gonna do is gonna start cutting. Not at the beginning of the material. It's gonna cut on the center. It's gonna you'll be wasting a lot of material. So right here on this other side, all I do is check right here to make an adjustment the way it was before. Like you can increase right here, but all I do is I just try to go 225, overcut 200 instead of 100. So 200. That's all the changes that I do. Right here, if you want optimize order, overcut, and cut a strip acrossing. I never tried that. Okay, anyways, so go to the first one, and yeah, whenever you're ready, just make sure right here it says 100%. Right here, if you're cutting this is for you if you need to be cutting on t-shirts. You go backwards. You use the mirror going backwards, but I always leave it that way. This one is if you want to change the direction. You notice right here how it's changing. See, it's like that. If you change this like the other way, these are the changes that you see. Okay, I press down. Now I'm gonna minimize this for right now. If you open right here, if you notice, you type the D. Give me 1 second. Type the D E V as Victor. Right here, I'll click in here with my mouse, and I drag the icon out of there. I already did. It's right here. I need to have that shortcut when I click on that one. This is device manager. It shows all the the components that are connected to your computer system. So all I see right here, all I do right here, I look in here on these ports under these icons right here, or I always count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on number 5 going up. So this one ports right here. You need to change the COM to 1. Right now, if you notice, we have it on 1, COM 1. That's gotta match this right here, COM 1. If you ever need to change it, let's say right here for let me press down, minimize. If you need to change it, you click in here twice, go to the port settings, go to the advanced, and then right here you can change it. Let's say you want to change it to number 2, COM 2, okay it, okay, and it's going to change it here. See, it says COM 2. So if you leave it at 2, you have to come right here, and when you go to the card, you'll see it says COM 1, and then click on the properties, and this one just okay it, so it'll go out of the way. Okay, this one you click in there twice, and it's gonna open this box. So just go there and select number 2, apply it, and okay it. So right now, see, you have COM 2. Right here you press done, and when you reopen, it's gonna say number 2. See right here 2. Okay, you want that so let me press done right here. Let me minimize it here. So it'll match the same port setting. So your vinyl cutter is gonna show COM 2. Your Flexi sign is gonna show the same. It's gotta match in order to communicate between the computer and the vinyl cutter. Okay, so that one thing I wanna let you know, sometimes if you connect to the internet, it's gonna create an update, or sometimes the firewall is gonna mess up your crack or patch to validate the license. I'll show you what you need to do just in case this is happening. Okay, if you open Flexi more than once, like right here I have it open, if you notice more than once, the second time you open, the Flexi is not gonna crack it. Watch, if you try to do something, or if you notice that this is happening to your Flexi program, let me open it. So for instance, I open it, it's open. So if it doesn't let you save nothing, let's say I have this square and I make something else, and you try to save your work, when you go right here and try to save it, if it says this feature is not available in demo version, that means you won't be able to do nothing, like cut or nothing, just see how the program works. So it's not gonna let you cut, even that it looks like, if see right here send, it's gonna tell you the feature is not available in demo version. Just close everything, the program and everything, and I want you to open this folder that says crack. I always, when I install the program, I always install this software right here, the little folder that says crack. So open it, go to the one in the bottom that says crack again, open it, and then go to the top, the yellow folder, open it. This one you need to run it. Just click on it. It's gonna start extracting the license. Right here, go next, and then I don't want to press finish because it's gonna reboot the computer, and it's gonna shut down the computer and recrack it. But yeah, if it's acting that is working as a demo, just run this program. It's gonna solve the problem, and it's not gonna be a demo no more. That only happens when you open the internet, and it's creating the upgrade, or the, yeah, more than it is the upgrades that draws your crack. See, let me show you right here. I'm gonna close the program, close it. If you notice, when I open the program, it sounds like a little bell that's cracking it every time you open it. Watch. See right there, it sounds like a little bell. That means it's okay, it's cracking it. But sometimes you notice there's no such a little bell making any noise. That means it's gonna act as a demo. So right now, let's say I'm gonna make another square. Since I opened it only once, so I'm gonna see if it's gonna let me save it this time. See, it's gonna let me save it. So saved. I've already saved because I need to rename it here. I gotta put something else, squared or anything, new project or something. So yeah, right here I'm saving it. So if you notice that it's not saving, or if it's acting as demo, as a demo version, that means that you're opening the program more than once, or your upgrades or your updates is creating the problem. Sometimes I go here, I press the turn, let me see, let me type it, and turn, and I go here where it says updates, so I click in there, and I always turn this off. Usually it's like this, install, and these ones are checked. So what I do, I never check, I uncheck this, and I okay it. I always leave it like this, because when you open to the internet to try to bring something, uh, it start like not letting your license act like valid. Okay, that'll be it for now. Thank you. Okay, right here this folder, every time I install the Flexi sign program, usually I put the folder crack in the desktop, and also I throw these driver plotter Lancaster drivers. You do need this when you connect the vinyl cutter to your laptop or to desktop computer. This one is very important, because when you open the device manager, let me open it right now. Yeah, when you open the device manager, and right here you are having problems recognizing your vinyl cutter, it's giving you like an exclamation mark. What you need to do is go here to this folder and open it, and right here you go to the number 12 right here, driver is the USB CH340-3.0 2008-.12 driver. That's the one you need to install. Sometimes I delete this other one. Let me show you right here, Windows 7. Let me go here, right click, go to properties. See my version right here is a Windows 7 Professional Edition. So I'm running my system type is not 64, it's 32-bit. My operating system for this one, for a 32-bit, you need to install this one. So let me see how it looks like when you are installing it. Once you are you open there and go all the way down to setup, it's gonna look like this. See, it's for the USB, the CH340-341, and that's gonna when you install it, looks like it runs like that. Yes, okay it, and all it does is gonna fix this problem. Sometimes if you have an exclamation here, exclamation mark, saying that I'm not recognizing your vinyl cutter, so this you need to run this program in order for you to have this problem here solved. Otherwise it won't be able to communicate between the vinyl cutter and the program from the Flexi sign in your laptop or desktop. Okie dokie, so that'll be it for now. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to bring an image from the internet so you can vectorize it. Okay, all you have to do is go and look for whatever you look